Hello friends, good morning. Good morning to all of you. This is Manoj before you. I hail from Star City Tarangar in Churu, Rajasthan. I completed my intermediate in 2019 batch with a good percentage. Now I am pursuing for BSc second year from Asta College, Kutaman City, Nagaur. I am a regular student of Asta College, Kutaman City, Nagaur. Now I am preparing also for Air Force. Air Force is an amazing job. It is full of adventure, full of heroic deeds. In my free time, I like watching cricket, playing cricket, watching TV, hearing songs, and so many outdoor activities. There are four members in my family, and we are two siblings. I'm an available person. Now I would like to talk about the topic which is given to me. My topic name is unemployment, a major issue for India. Yes, unemployment is a major issue for India, not only for India but also all over the world. Uh, while the literacy rate is increasing in India, but the unemployment rate is also increasing. Why? What is the reason behind this? If I discuss two topics, first topic first topic its impact. And my first topic its reason behind the unemployment, and second its impact and consequences. First topic, my reason behind this. Mainly there are mainly four or five reasons. First, large scale of population, slow economy, seasonal occupation, foreign cottage industry, lack of skill or proper education system. First reason, large scale of population. Yes, it is a big issue for unemployment. There are so many people who are applying for jobs, but there are limited sources, and due to it a large scale of population apply. When a highly educated people also apply for a job sweeper, they have to work. Beside this, government authorities are not working properly. They don't providing sufficient sources. Second, seasonal occupation. Yes, seasonal occupation mostly found in villages. The youth of villages have to work in some seasons, just like harvesting season, etc. Harvesting season and sowing seed, etc. And third, slow economy slow. When the economy of a country is slow, then the sources of industry and sources of employment is decreased. If economy and GDP is good, then the sources of a industry will increase and employment rate will be also increase. Third, fourth, education system and lack of skills. Yes, our school system is based on only degree. It is not sufficient. So now I will talk about my second topic, its impact. Its impacts are not so good. Its impact, anti many so many so many antisocial activities entice and seduce the unemployment person for money, and the people have to work for against his country, against his society. Unemployment become a reason for crime, terrorism, and poverty, corruption, etc. If government try, then it can be reduced. Thank you.